Hello world. Today we will solve one of the great recursion problem, lowest common ancestor. Please read the problem first. Here is a tree. Whose is the common ancestor of X and Y nodes? The red node is the common ancestor. What about this one? Is the root node still lowest common ancestor? Root node is common ancestor, but it's not the lowest. Therefore, X itself is the lowest common ancestor. How about this? The answer is Y. Here are all the test cases we've used. You can make more test cases by yourself. Let's touch the first domino. Touching the first domino is like returning the value. What is return value for this problem? Node. These are the return values for the previous test cases. Among these return values, node X and Y node are first dominoes, base cases. Moreover, cause this is the binary tree, null node is a base case as well. This is the code for the basis cases. Isn't it simple? Now let's see relation. Let's focus on the relation of two adjacent domino tiles. Here is a tree. The method call will look like this. We will focus on the adjacent call. If X and Y nodes are returned from the bottoms, what is the LCA? Current node. It's very straightforward. What about this case? Left is X and right is null. X should be returned. Some of you might confused with this case. Y is the LCA of this tree. Therefore, you might think that Y could be returned like this. However, if Y node is returned, it doesn't move down to the left and right. As a result, X should be returned for this case. What about this one? If both are null, null should be returned. Here is the code. If both are null, null should be returned. If one of left and right is null, the other one is valid, so we should return it. If both are not null, current node is LCA, so return the current node. Combine with the base cases code. Here is final code. Congratulations. You already solved the problem. Let's test with this tree. Cause root node is not one of X, Y and null. Stay at the line number 6 and do recursion with the left node. Not let's focus on the node X cause it is X, let's return it. Not let's call the right node, and stay at the line number 7. Cause the node is Y, let's return it. Now let's handle the left and right node. Both are valid, let's skip this if statement. Left is valid, so skip it. Right is valid, so skip it. Finally, let's return current node of this function. One more example. Let's call the method. Cause Y is the base case, just return it. Isn't it amazing? With the bottom-up approach, you don't have to call any other recursion. Thanks you for watching this video.